Definitely looks like we stole these fuckers. Oh yeah. This bitch is running like a top now. This bitch is nice. It's okay. It likes high speed. Yeah. I will wait for it. Right turn signal. Oh, nope, that's not gear. I'm coming. And even though. Go, motherfucker, I'm in gear. We're so fucking smoky. Your shit smokes like crazy. It has torque in first gear because it's so fucking low. Oh. Are we eating though? You don't have a tail light? It's kind of eh. Yep, sure do. I'm sorry, neighbors. I actually do care, but at the same time. Oh, they don't know who it is. Oh, I'm the only nigga with fucking motorcycles. Never mind. I'm trying so hard. I got this bitch in like fourth. It's so loud and it's like fucking 10 o'clock at night. Funny part is we don't gotta worry about cops or any. Well, I guess we gotta worry about cops. We don't have to worry about them getting us like a ticket in the mail because no tags, or I could not because I don't know if my brakes are that good. Okay, I killed it. There's no way I'm getting up this curb now. Yeah, your shit has suspension though. Everything's a whole lot fucking easier when your shit's nice and soft. Okay. I mean, I'm sure it fucking does something eventually. You just gotta beat the fuck out of it. Where do I have a tag? Oh, I do have a tag light, so the cops can see that I don't have one. Probably, but I'm not trying to. We probably don't want to be on the main road, because the only people on the main road right now is fucking us and cops. Alright, well, if we know if a cop shows up, we're running. And then I'm gonna probably kill this fucking moped. Like, hey, officer, I was not running. I just wanted to show you how well it runs. And as you can see, not very well. Look up. Dude, this bitch is geared so fucking low. This is second. This is not a trail, you cockamamie fuck. This is not an off-roading kind of bike. Ah! Okay, the mod. Something jumped up and I was like, nigga, I can feel every bump in my spine. It's so supple. I think a cop sometimes, well, not sometimes, I know they do, occasionally rolls by. Oh my fucking god. Neutral in this bitch does not exist. Is that a dead end or is that another trail? Alright, let me jump the curb real quick. Nigga, what do you mean you don't know? This is not a fucking trail. We're gonna hit a giant fucking hole there. Bloop! Fucking first gear, bro. This bitch does not have a fucking neutral. That way. Oh, okay, yeah. Well, we gotta go down that big-ass hill then. You know, we're playing a really risky game with a cop right now. Yeah. We would definitely get fucking in trouble for this. This wasn't a, sorry, I didn't know. That's tight. And there's a pallet. Oh, I have high beams. There's no difference, really. You wanna race, bitch? Okay, GoPro. Oh, can't see you. I can see your headlight. You probably can go straight. There might be a ditch, though. Just go straight with it. Fuck your grass! Ah! Nigga! What you talking about, Nick? That? Yeah, that ain't shit. Okay. I was like, yeah, looking like it's still getting steeper, right? Yeah, it's pretty fucking smoky. I'm like half a lane over and I'm still getting smoked out. It says you ain't smoking ass if you ain't mixing gas. I smell fucking weed. So if there's a cop, he's doing a horrible job. Yeah, but my bike's fucking unreliable. I'm gonna be the one who gets caught. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, side by side, let's go. Yeah, but they'd run it out like crazy. Oh, I think you ran over a fish or something, because they were like, bleh. And then I smelled. Yeah, it made a really nasty smell.